Hi, we're going to solve the following exercise. A 289-gram piece of aluminum is removed from an oven and placed into 525 grams of water in an insulated container. The temperature of the water increases from 25 degrees Celsius to 64 degrees Celsius. What is the original temperature of the aluminum? The specific heat capacity of water equals 4.18 joule per gram degree Celsius. The specific heat of aluminum is 0.903 joule per gram degree Celsius. So here we want to calculate the original temperature of the aluminum, meaning the T initial temperature. Now for this case, we're going to use the equation Q equals ms delta T. Q is the quantity of heat, m is the mass of the substance, S is the specific heat of the substance, and delta T is the T final minus T initial. Now if we look at the question, we can see that the heat that is lost from the aluminum is actually absorbed by the water. Therefore, Q